Welcome. If you're looking for a way to keep your Instagram likes and comments private, especially on your lock screen, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you a simple, updated method to hide Instagram likes and comments notification content on your lock screen. This is perfect if you value your privacy or just want to keep your phone notifications a little more discreet. Let's jump right in. First, unlock your phone and head over to your main settings. This is the place where you control everything about your device, including how your apps send you notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on the section labeled Apps. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Find Instagram in the list and tap on it. This will bring up all the settings specific to Instagram. Now, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. This is where you can customize exactly what kind of notifications Instagram is allowed to send you and how they appear. Within the Instagram Notifications menu, scroll until you see the section called Likes and Comments on photos of you. Tap on this option. This is the area that controls notifications for when someone likes or comments on your photos. Once you're in the Likes and Comments section, find the setting labeled Lock Screen. Tap on it, and you'll see a few options for how notifications are displayed when your phone is locked. To hide the content of these notifications, simply select Hide Content. This means that when you get a like or comment on Instagram, your lock screen will show that you have a notification, but it won't display the actual message or who it's from. Your privacy is protected, and your notifications are kept discreet. That's it! You've now successfully hidden your Instagram likes and comments notification content from your lock screen. Quick and easy, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips just like this. Thanks for watching.